Find the intercepts of the equation, then graph the equation. And the equation that we're working with is 2x minus 4y equals negative 8. Now let's first find the x-intercept. To do that, we let y equal 0 and solve for x. So substituting 0 for y, we have 2x equals negative 8, and dividing both sides by 2, we get x equals negative 4. So that tells us that the x-intercept is negative 4, 0. Now to find the y-intercept, we let x equal 0 and solve for y. So we have 2 times 0 minus 4 times y equals negative 8. Negative 4 times y equals negative 8, and dividing both sides by negative 4, I have y equals 2. So the y-intercept is 0, 2. And we'll find a third point in a minute. Let's graph the equation first. Now let's graph the equation. We'll plot the 2 points that we found. We have the x-intercept, negative 4, 0, and we have the y-intercept, 0, 2. And we'll draw the line that contains those 2 points. And we will label it with its equation, 2x minus 4y equals negative 8. And now let's find a third point as a check that we've drawn that we've graphed the equation correctly. Let's go back and let x equal 4. When we do that, we have 2 times 4 minus 4y equals negative 8, or 8 minus 4y equals negative 8. If I subtract 8 on both sides, I have negative 4y equals negative 16, and then divide by negative 4 on both sides, and we have y is equal to 4. So this tells us that another point on the graph is the point 4, 4. And let's look at our graph. We do have that point on the graph. So that's a check that we've drawn the graph correctly.